Legal nurses, are you looking for tips on hiring an expert witness? Do you know the important questions to ask? Or are you considering serving in the role as the expert witness? Do you have burning questions that you want answered? If the answer is yes to any of these questions, then please join Patricia Iyer and I for our 4th Legal Nurse Consulting Success Virtual Conference, September 23, 24, 25, 2021, and listen to our expert panelists. One of our panelists is Ann Meyer, and she is president of MedLaw Connection Incorporated, which is an independent legal nurse consulting firm that she started in 2005. Ann has earned the LNCC credential and was past chair of the American Legal Nurse Consultant Certification Board. She has lectured and published on multiple topics and is a senior co-editor of the textbook Legal Nurse Consulting Principles and Practices, 4th edition. Ann, can you offer some sound bites about what your presentation is going to be about?
Absolutely. Thank you, Barbara. I'm really excited to be able to present on this topic. I've been a legal nurse consultant for over 15 years, and I work also as an expert witness myself and work with attorneys to help them locate experts on their cases. So I'm here to talk to nurses that maybe already have an LNC practice and are looking to expand their practice by either locating experts or being an expert themselves, or perhaps somebody that's new, that's just getting into things and trying to decide what might work best for them. We're in a really unique position as nurses in regards to the fact that we have a lot of education and experience that we can provide to the community and be able to teach not only our patients, but also perhaps sometimes at trial or in the litigation process. And so I'm looking forward to talking a little bit about the differences, like I said, between the LNC world and the expert world, what it takes to be an expert witness, if people are not sure if they have the right characteristics or maybe the background for that. We'll talk a little bit about that. We'll also talk about the process of being an expert witness and what that means as far as going to deposition, going to trial, actual review of the records, things like that. And as far as locating experts, we'll talk a little bit about how to find an expert, how to vet an expert, questions to ask your expert, and then making sure that they're the right fit for your attorney. So communication is always a key thing in everything we do as nurses, and that's no different here. So we'll talk a little bit about that as well. So really excited to talk about that and then answer any questions that people might have in regards to getting into that role.
So we definitely want to suggest to these attendees, come prepared with your questions. And I think it's wonderful that you are going to define the rules in more clear sense for the attendees. No matter what level knowledge or experiences that you have, if you're a new person in legal nursing, or even if you're the most experienced, I guarantee that everyone will go away with additional knowledge from your presentation and others for this program. So we appreciate that you're joining us. Please attend this conference with your questions and meet our experts. See the link below, lnc.tips/September 2021 virtual. We look forward to seeing you.
Thank you.